Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 141, linked list cycle. The way we will be approaching this problem is by using two pointers. For example, let's say that we'll name a pointer as fast and slow. And the slow pointer, what it's going to be doing is that it will be moving from one list node to the other. And the fast pointer will move from one list node to the other, but by skipping one of them. So let's look at this example, right? So the slow list node will go from 3 to 2 to 0 to -4. But the fast one will go from 3 and it'll skip 2 and it'll go to 0. And it'll go to 2 after skipping -4. And then at the fourth iteration, we have the slow and the fast pointer pointing at -4. And we know that since they overlap, that there is a cycle. And this is the way you will be solving this problem. This method is called as the hare and the tortoise method. So let's jump right in. So let's initialize two list nodes. Let's call them slow and both point that to head. And then we have the fast. Alright, so after this you will have a while loop that checks, hey, is the fast node equal to null? And the one that's after, if it is not equal to null, you will continue testing for the equality. But if one of them points towards null, we know that there is no there's no cycle in the linked list, and that it has reached the end of the linked list. That's the reason why we're checking for this condition. And if it does reach that condition, you would just want to return false in the end. Alright, so once you know that it is not null, you will say, okay, slow is equal to slow.next and fast is equal to fast.next. And then you will check if slow is equal to fast, you will return true, and we have solved the problem. Alright, so let's compile this and see if everything is okay. The first test case passes. Everything else passes as well. Alright, so let's quickly talk about the space and the time complexity. The time complexity would be of n. Even if there is a cycle, there would be x amount of rotations through the cycle, but it is bounded. I would highly recommend looking into the math for this problem if you want to understand why it is of n. And the space complexity is of 1 since we are not really using any additional space to store data. So that's your solution. If there are any questions about this problem, please let me know in the comments below. If there are any other problems on LeetCode that you would like me to solve, also please let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to solve them for you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate that. See you all in the next video. Peace.